Question number 1. Olivia always comes up with ideas. A. Innovative. B. Innovating. C. Innovate. Option A is the right answer. Question number 2. Olivia always. Both pros and cons before deciding. A. Consider. B. Considers. C. Considering. Option B is the right answer. Welcome to English Grammar Pro. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 5 seconds. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. Question number 3. Ethan made a decision under pressure. A. Wisdom. B. Wisely. C. Wise. Option C is the right answer. Question number 4. Jessica is known for her communication skills. A. Fluency. B. Fluently. C. Fluent. Option C is the right answer. Question number 5. Ryan. Never been to Europe before. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had. Option A is the right answer. Question number 6. Chloe prefers to. Advice before finalizing her plans. A. Seeking. B. Seek. C. Seeks. Option B is the right answer. Question number 7. Logan is known for making decisions. A. Rational. B. Rush. C. Rash. Option A is the right answer. Question number 8. Lily couldn't decide. 2 job offers. A. With. B. Between. C. Among. Option B is the right answer. Question number 9. Zachary usually arrives at work. Time. A. At. B. In. C. On. Option C is the right answer. Question number 10. Victoria is to attend the conference next week. A. Expecting. B. Expect. C. Expected. Option C is the right answer. Question number 11. Thomas didn't know how to respond to Emma's A. Argument, B. Arguing, C. Argue. Option A is the right answer. Question number 12. Julian was surprised how easy the exam was. A. With. B. By. C. For. Option B is the right answer. Question number 13. Eli remained calm. The pressure. A. Despite. B. Although. C. Even. Option A is the right answer. Question number 14. John works much. Than he used to. A, hardly. B, harder. C, hard. Option B is the right answer. Question number 15. Audrey. That she had made a mistake. A, admits. B, admit. C, admitted. Option C is the right answer. Question number 16. Brooklyn took the test. Preparation. A, despite. B, with. C, without. Option C is the right answer. Question number 17. I have a idea about the project. A, little. B, much. C, few. Option A is the right answer. Question number 18. I will go to the party. It's raining. A, unless. B, even though. C, because. Option B is the right answer. Question number 19. I tried hard. I couldn't finish the project on time. A, although. B, because. C, despite. Option A is the right answer. Question number 20. Olivia completed the task. Than expected. A, quicker. B, quickly. C, quickest. Option B is the right answer. Question number 21. Oliver was. Then all the others in the race. A, fastest. B, faster. C, faster. Option C is the right answer. Question number 22. I like both chocolate. Vanilla ice cream. A, because. B, but. C, and. Option C is the right answer. Question number 23. I won the lottery. A, hooray. B, oops. C, ah. Option A is the right answer. Question number 24. Do you want to go to the park? A, what. B, when. C, where. Option B is the right answer. Question number 25. I understand the question. A, don't. B, isn't. C, doesn't. Option A is the right answer. Question number 26. The teacher gave us two. To complete. A, assignments. B, assignments. C, assignment. Option B is the right answer. Question number 27. Emily has friends at the new school. A, a few. B, much. C, many. Option C is the right answer. Question number 28. Seldom. To the gym in the morning. A, she goes. B, she does go. C, does she go? Option C is the right answer. Question number 29. The Keys. By Jake earlier today. A, were found. B, found. C, is found. Option A is the right answer. Question number 30. Anna said she. The meeting last Tuesday. A, attends. B, had attended. C, attended. Option B is the right answer. Question number 31. She asked me if I to the meeting. A, had gone. B, have gone. C, schedule. Option A is the right answer. Question number 32. They told us that the documents already. A, sent. B, had sent. C, have sent. Option B is the right answer. Question number 33. My house is? Then your house. A, largest. B, large. C, larger. Option C is the right answer. Question number 34. I'm trying to. The mess in my room. A, give up. B, break up. C, clean up. Option C is the right answer. Question number 35. They decided to. Their trip to next month. A, put off. B, set up. C, hold on. Option A is the right answer. Question number 36. The place we met is very special to me. A, which. B, where. C, who. Option B is the right answer. Question number 37. The person helped me with the project was very kind. A, who. B, whom. C, whose. Option A is the right answer. Question number 37. The city I grew up is quite beautiful. A, which. B, where. C, that. Option B is the right answer. Question number 39. Under no circumstances. You leave the building. A, must. B, will. C, should. Option C is the right answer. Question number 40. Oliver and Mia decided to. A plan for the project. A, take. B, do. C, make. Option C is the right answer. Question number 41. If Tom and Jack arrive, we'll start the meeting. A, they. B, he. C, she. Option A is the right answer. Question number 42. If Emily. A bit earlier, she would have caught the bus. A, arrives. B, had arrived. C, arrive. Option B is the right answer. Question number 43. Rarely. Such a beautiful sight. A, do we see? B, we see. C, we have seen. Option A is the right answer. Question number 44. David didn't come to the meeting, but Olivia, A, did not. B, did. C, came. Option B is the right answer. Question number 45. Sarah is traveling to Paris and Lisa is traveling A, there, B, same, C, to. Option C is the right answer. Question number 46. The of new evidence changed the course of the investigation. A, discovered. B, discover. C, discovery. Option C is the right answer. Question number 47. It is on Fridays that. For my workouts. A, I go. B, I am going. C, I gone. Option A is the right answer. Question number 48. David suggested. A picnic at the park tomorrow. A, to have. B, having. C, have. Option B is the right answer. Question number 49. David loves coffee. Sophia prefers tea. A, but B in contrast. C, furthermore. Option A is the right answer. Question number 50. Never. So many people in one place. A, seen I. B, have I seen. C, I have seen. Option B is the right answer.